What's up guys, Steve again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. There's heaps of cool stuff like this Cen F450 build that I have. And this is just going to be a really quick video because I'm getting a lot of people asking, where can I buy this particular car from? Is it a kit? Is it ready to run? So short answer is no, unfortunately. No real manufacturers make a 4-stroke engine ready to run kit anymore. They used to, well, they still do, but it's on the decline, have nitro powered cars, and unfortunately because of laws, I think in Europe there are some countries that don't allow for sale of anything over 20%, or maybe even, I'm not too sure. Please leave a comment down below what exactly it is. But a lot of it's going electric. These are more expensive. Electric is just easier, plug and play, and the performance is there. And especially now the price of LiPo batteries has gone down, so it makes it even more, affordable and more attractive to the buyer. So this, if you haven't seen it, is my Cen F450. Normally it was an electric truck. I converted it to this Cen F450 4-stroke powered by nitro fuel. I'll leave the link up here if you want to go check out that playlist if you're interested. But this isn't going to be a long video. All I want to say is no, you cannot buy this. Unfortunately, it's not ready to run. You can't buy a kit and then build it per se from Cen, but you can buy the parts like how I have shown in my previous videos and build it yourself. This is an F450 made by Cen, links down below if you want to go check it out. A Revo transmission and a lot of other parts that make it all work and make it to what you see here. But even though you can't buy it, guys, you definitely can build it yourself, and that's part of the fun of the hobby, and that's what I love about it most, is tinkering and making things work and seeing if you can pull it off yourself. But like I said, you can build it. I hope you have seen what I have managed to do, and you can kind of replicate yourself. I am nowhere near perfect. This is just a garage hack job to you could call it, but it does work and it does run. A lot of people make these, but they don't really run them much. But I've proven that it can be done, and yeah, it's fun to do as well. Now, also, people ask, can I mass produce these? Unfortunately, not. I'm a single bloke. I have a full-time job, and this is my hobby. But unfortunately, I would like to, but I just have enough time, guys. And also shipping and COVID and all that kind of stuff definitely would not make that work. So a lot of people ask, okay, can you build me one? Now, end of the day, short answer is, unfortunately, no. These take a lot of time, and even though I build it myself and I can know how to fix it the next time or make it even better next time I make them, it still takes a lot of time. And if someone wants to build it, they've got to ship me the parts, they've got to buy the car. It definitely adds up. So unfortunately not. But I do encourage people to build it themselves and have fun doing it. So that's all I want to say. Quick video. I'll get a lot of questions, so it'd just be easier just to express it through the video, and it's nice to get on camera again as well. So thanks guys. Links for these parts, like I said. If you're interested in the video and you want to build it yourself, please try it. It's fun at the same time. If you like the video, give it a good thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys.